Purify water with the best water purifier and filter. Do you know how many chemicals are in your tap water? Our water filter will give you the purest, cleanest, freshest tasting water for drinking, cooking and more. So let's get started and enjoy this video. Number 1. WaterDrop G3P800 Reverse Osmosis Purifier. The WaterDrop G3P800 Reverse Osmosis System offers faster water flow, 800 gallons per day, and filters 1 cup of water in just 6 seconds. The RO system is equipped with a LED lamp and has the sterilization rate up to 99.9%. The system is equipped with a smart faucet, by which you can get the TDS level and water quality and filter life at a glance. The RO system G3P800 has a stylish look and is very attractive. The tankless design saves 70% under sink space and helps to avoid secondary contamination. The system can consistently produce water and ensures purity in every drop. You can get purified water anytime without waiting. The tankless RO system G3P800 is equipped with a smart faucet, by which you can get the TDS level and water quality at a glance. Besides powerful filtration function, the RO system G3P800 is equipped with a LED lamp with lifespan as long as 50 years. The LED can be automatically turned on when water flows by and has the sterilization rate up to 99.9%. Through 9-stage filtration, the tankless reverse osmosis system can effectively reduce TDS, PFAS, fluoride, heavy metals like chromium, arsenic, iron, radium and calcium, salts like nitrate and chloride as well as large particles. Besides, tested by a third-party laboratory, the system can reduce lead. Number 2. Blueview RO100 ROPOT Reverse Osmosis Water Filter. Simply plug this portable piece of tech into any power source and you're ready to fill it up and go. Better yet, the water container is constructed of high borosilicate glass carafe instead of the traditional plastic, reducing the risk of secondary pollution and making this one of the best countertop water filter systems. Water system automatically enters power-saving standby mode when not in use to reduce power consumption. Leftover water from a cycle isn't deemed wastewater, so more water is saved to use for various household purposes. 4 levels of filtration are utilized to ensure the purest water possible. 99.9% of all possible contaminants are filtered out so you can confidently drink your own tap water. The countertop water filters last for a long time, between 12 to 24 months, to provide 1 to 2 years of clean drinking water before needing replacement. Filters are also designed to help save water with an impressive 2:1 pure-to-drain ratio. Monitor display shows the service life of filters and water quality so you can easily keep track of filter replacement and periodically switch out filter tubes. Number 3. Simpure Y7 Countertop Reverse Osmosis Purifier. Against NSF, ANSI 58, EPA 537 and GB T 5750 standard. Converts your tap water, well water, TDS less than 500 ppm, into pure and healthy drinking water by removing 99.99% of the 1,000 plus contaminants including viruses, bacteria, chemicals, PFOA, PFOS, pharmaceuticals, heavy metals, lead, arsenic, chlorine, TDS, fluoride, nitrates, nitrites, and etc. Say goodbye to the hidden dangers of tap water and eliminate the need to purchase bottled water for your home. Use no chemicals and emits absolutely no byproducts, effectively destroying 99.99% of microorganisms, bacteria, germs. More thorough sterilization from your water. Simpure UV purification system combined with 3 stages RO filtration system can take water purification to another level. Taste the difference. Plug in and you'll have purified water right away. 1 full set of quick changing twist and seal filters come included. Get rid of the troubles caused by complicated installation and filter replacement. Compared to traditional under-sink filtration, Simpure Y7 PW free from water source and space constraints, you can place and move Simpure water purifier to anywhere with power supply available. Perfect for kitchen, bedroom, office, lobby, outdoor RV, etc. 4:1 pure to drain, highest water utilization rate of the RO system on the market. Using the recycling multi-filtration technology can save your water up to 1,500%. You will get a cup of purified water in about 15 seconds by the faster dispense flow rate, 418 GPD. No more wasting money on bottled water, and you'll be doing your part to save the planet.